Keblai pi barok syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san mentah ke sengi Shillong. Play Civil Service Coaching Class ke Donbosco Youth Center. Ngat ki Samla Assam hashrip ki pulit nongpo. Od UMLA Mauti Shaw Menteri Boarding Electric. But what kini ia kahok ki kenarit banilekai on the child-friendly Shillong Civil Society. But mentangin pa syaki Khubor bakam banyak. Ke Donbosco Youth Center Laimkra Shillong, ha ke arpusaw terik JYLLIEW kalapli ye ke Civil Service Coaching Program na ke benta ki Samla ke badon jingtmu banya kun ye ke examination beper kum ke MPSC Staff Selection Committee bang but kiwe ke competitive exams. Kani ke coaching program kalong ke sinjam bethamai na ke benta ke Donbosco Youth Center. Da kini ka coaching program le plelat plelinti na kebenta kitu ki batrang shisha ban yo jing hikai bat jing pensyai halor kini ki exam beper. Lasdang ye ka program play Peit ba da ka jing ruai na ka Samla Aida Misha Wankar bot se ka jing kren pediang ngobha na director ka Donbosco Youth Center Reverend Father Michael Makri ubala ai mensim ye ki Samla ki bayadon lang banum do jing kermen. Henry Banthom ye ki jing e bagi kendo ha ka jing em baman kasngi. Layo ye ka jing shat na arngut ki Samla ha ka jing elam jong ka Samla one bed ki bala penbernya ya baro ki bala don lang ha ka ni ka step. Ukong san uba Roni Walang MCS Deputy Secretary Forest and Environment ha ka jing kren ula kentu but I men sim ki Samla bekin shim ye ka ni kalat baga Donbosco Youth Center ka pli na ka benta jongki. Ula pensyairu bahaka jing em ngin ye kenduk bon ki jing e but ula kentu ye ki kun Samla bikin don borbor ye ke mensim ban ye kun ye kita kirai e raidang lepin wa ye ke jing elang da ke jing ruai na ke Samla tia Vanessa Kurba but ke jing ai kublai ngongu na Reverend Father Michael Makri
and discouraged. I'm really glad that the song that we began with, though it harped on the negativity of life and the difficulties young people face. I was just discussing with Madam that this age and generation, while it talks about social media, it talks about lingos, it talks about people achieving various feats in different aspects of life, yet, may I say, with a tinge of sadness, that this is also an age of loneliness and hopelessness. It is therefore important, young people, that you take out your bucket, draw from here. Your hopelessness will disappear, your loneliness will disappear, your discouragement will disappear. And when you are together in a coaching center, let me be very candid. It is not just about teaching. A coaching center is basically a center where you unlock yourself, open up yourself to a plethora of opportunities that will come your way. It is a journey to self-discovery. If you take it very seriously, believe me, you will discover certain attributes in you which you think never existed. You will discover that you are a new person, you are more confident, and you are willing, as Father has correctly pointed out, to take on risks in lives. Unfortunately, we are a generation that loves whining, or as Father had said, complaining. We complain if we are not firmly ensconced in our career course, or if we do not have within ourselves that motivation to reach for the goal.
Kejingmlin ki Samla ban penher state khongwang ye ki thuk ban muja kale stan hasurok ba National Highway man kesngiu blay ki pulit ke Nongpo Police Station Traffic Branch ha ka arpulai terik JYLLIEW ki lepen up shrip da ka checking ye ki helmet bat ki license. Da kini ke checking ki pulit nong po ki layok bat shikin hon ki kena Samla na Assam ki bajumlin ban le stan ha ka than umling ki babu jingma ye lede ye ki briu ki belit bawan bat ye ki kali ki beher step ha kini ke surok ba. Lara ye kini ki Samla syathanan bat la sneng la kraw bat la kunaru na pedeng jongki.
Beli pi baru cuba Peit bersengap ya kena Khubor nga tepat nak kalianอยู่ traffic run di bawah sing nang pok ba pin subha bani atat helmet dak kinong nya bike nya skuti bat khamtam ru nga tepat ya gitu skuti lek bike besong labun sin gilap bat ni jupan nak por sekor rei kim semla niokor bat kim semla kungu ya ta ai jong traffic rule rei bun sin hi gilap ba hadu laingut kinang syong ya ki bike bat skuti rei jinsya ka pasti jong ga skuti ke baik jadi bensyong arut. Te yakini ini kerpat jur dia pi. Bapin kungu pin bot ya ka an jong ka traffic rule balai sana dar sukaran dia nang ba kaya jingmetoi ya pi om gam jingmetoi yang i police department. Ka jingmetoi ka wan ya pi om jingmetoi ni lada pi accident lada pi biang kot sela pi biang alde pila ban ya le ya kano ka jingdon kam ka pungba ki ong ka MCT claim. Mentah ka sarkar India ka pumi kata MST claim lada don aksiden bayap hanti ne surok jong ganu no ka surok mde tang ne jaka jui wacha Assam ne cha no jaka lada pibiang yale di mot pin yo ta MST claim lada pinum biang pinum la ban yo wat lada sarkar ka bu lupa pinum la ban yo kata ka MST claim marba license pim don kot sela kali pim don nang ta ikirul ki ain ka pen king Hagino parking ru bu kidang labu simbot aska pin buram pin pek kimat yung pi kimat kipek chano ngam tip bat bun sini lap bahang ne nang pot area jungi hapo ji kipek jong i DSP bat ESP dan buram jungi bat IC jungi rei nilai ibu i simbot rei kia penjak permit kia weng simbot ru kesimbot no parking labu hane ga area nongpo yo hne nakpor sipor sembut jingi ki jak bat ki ledu smon bat ki yu na kali kirat atli pun pat
UMLA kamahoti ba Charles Marngar ne kasngi ningkong ulalit ban pentip markmat show menteri ketanat boarding UET Mondel halor ke jingthot palat ka boarding haki babon kishnong ha constituency jong Hakini kecing kendu UMLA ula pentip ru bagi don bon kishnong ki ba 4 yo boarding satya ki baladon haduk kembah nyau teli
Kijing ki ba Bosco po hakaba kumunong nikmat nadu Khubor mengadang lotang NDC kalau persang ban simkia giding kam Bosco po ndrei UI ba kijing duna ki babon ha konsulsi kabangim pala ban pembiang haduk mata jika jengwan jangan kalau kedan angli kiban kongsan dari Khubor kabaningkong kade kejing pembiang ke electricity supply kejing long irregularity of power supply kani kalau kita sebut ya kinong soksong kini kisnong kibahajan musning kini kisnong masenda amroy kamang road lakum no kinang kam yo ya ke electricity kinang kambi ngambong bagi lang 100% kibia kidonahi henry kwa ban pen pawi pi hne bagi don kisno kum kamahoti area ke solidan area ke umtrai area bat ke umsiang area ini kisno baru akhir ke area ide kisno di bamat sisa kijing dan itu ipi bagi kisno umtrai ke area umtrai hake sisngi kinyo light lane kinyo ke electricity tang kumba shi kenta bat akta to kata kamdai kijing ladai sisa kijing ke makna kejing nak mata ki kena school kumno kin kre kot bapli benda ki pen kre ya examination ki jongki padang kejing dum hapen don kam tung Khubor nai de syarat ini kene kejing harap ka ba kejing jong binam sok snong benda ki tanjong ki don bun ba ki beriu ki batanjang in penon kam sa da ketuka istri mo ka iron da unga seisu por kam tisu gila penon kam da gitu electric iron laneki istri udah kamai Tenang tak kau ini jing ke ba I kendo. Hagi badai bat kinong tray di furniture. Nalor ke jing kerdu kamu ke jing kerdu jang. Di Samla di berpersang banle de skill development program. Electricity kamu dah. Siapa kalau jong ki kun Samla. Jong ngadong katai. Dia nalor ke ni ngap semua. Yo minister. Bat nakaliang ke jong uru. Mendak sini ulah pempau. Ya kejing sosi, kejing sodiau, halor kejing yuk jikip bak kalau kuni. Bat nakaliang ke jong ulah ong bak. Hadin bak lami nam ni nakam jong uhi. Sabut din no ikani kam. Bat banwat jingtip ke ai kedau. Dari malu malah ko muci tu ipi. Kedau hi ke bangidon hani nglap semua yu. Kadai ke shortage of manpower. Kejing duna jong kinong trai. Ani tu ipi ha usiang. Way lineman ubala yam nadu kesenam arja sipo. Hadu mendam pada refleksi. Di mana menteri menteri jadi kam. Kani kiri kejing ke bakrau ke bangimat ikendo. Hadu ba ngagum unong nikmat itu ipi ngan lek syukum no. Ki phone call ki bawan ki bitu ingai.
Reverend Father James Ternyang haka arpu Southrik JYLLIEW ulaplay ke program pensyai Peit ba ha Bosco Integrated Development Society nong thamai. Kejing temu jong kini ke program pensyai Peit ba kalong ban penbiang jakai le akai ye ki kenarit ha madan shnong campaign for strengthening safe environment for the children. Kenang bakin roy kemet kepat kejing mut kejing perkat bat kemensim ye ye parlok hapedeng jengki. Hakani kejuk lasdang wan rung kerukom perkat bertemai haki babun kishnong ki pelong ya ki madan banwan ra kamai. Kani kejing perkat bat jing le kabu iki kenarit ha kejing ki bakrau ban yo iki jaka ne madan ban ye le kai paramaki. Kani ke program la sandur da ke child friendly Shillong Civil Society CFS-CS ban kintiu bat ban yada ya ke hoki kena red ban he ban san. Kamat kersiu Peit ba kani ke program kalong. Manu ban yada ya nga. Manga bat mangi kalong ke jupa. Kakong mati wajri kalabatai kani ke program da ke boong. Ngidon kam ban penklan ke jingada bat jing kentiu ya ki hok jang ki kenarit ban roy ban san habarok ki liang jong kalong briu man briu. Nadu kamen hadu ki jing mut jing perkat bat ki do nut jong ki. Kakong Banabel Kharsati Mobilization Office jong kini ka society kelas dang ya kini ke program batai Peit ba halor ki jingdon kam bat ka hok jang ki kenarit ban yo iki jaka bat madan ye le akai paramaki hasnong hathau. Kenang bakin roy kum kibriu bepura hadin habot. Kishnong ru kide ban penbiang jakai le akai na ke benta jengki. Kamtam ha Shillong bon ki madan menta kila kelalong kilang kha tingka bat kim aila chu iki kenarit ban le akai sngoba paramaki kalaong. Kinong hikai ki kena school bat kilong kemi long pa kilawan banishimenta hakani ke program menta kasngi.
Jadi siap itu from Nomlung, Osia, Lumbatengah.
And all our partners, especially children, and all those who are part of this project of the child-friendly Shillong. Though I am also completely new here, two weeks, but then I have been part of this project when I was in another office. So with great joy and satisfaction and thanks to God and to all those who are working hard for the rights of the children, we will launch this campaign of 2024.
It includes safeguarding children from physical harm, whether at home, school or in public places. And I think Sir Deep has already focused on
project Kabadan Hapok Jongka Bosco Integrated Development Society. Kajing tu Jongka kalong ba ni amin siam iki khna bakin wan chakmat bakin tur chakmat bakin yekran bakin thu ejing jongki. Namar bun sin manta PGE ba iki khna angi ngim ju alat iki bakin wan chakmat because ngi ong na fi dang khna film don ko hok ban kran. Handai kajing tu Jongka project jengi pada kamlong kopta jadi temu jengi kalong bangi ko ha bagi kena ru kinong kita kiwe kinong mikmat den takadau nakapor sikapor ka bangi penong programs ngiju hikai ki phag leadership skills nang ta ki different types of training bangi hikai ki yumno bikin nong slor ka ai bikin man rai ki issues jong ki sakmat khnang ba kata ka issues jong ki khna bikin yi da kasnong baka issues ka bakanwan kamde kande tan ki bahe andre ki issues kade ka wan ki khna ru khnang baki bahe bahan kin consider ya kata ki issues ka bawan ki khna jong kane ka campaign ka bangi launch manta ka singi ro kalong kuma fil I ka theme ka dei ka campaign ka dei who can protect me I and V mut mano banyana yanga mut manga wana phi hapo jong ka padengi don sakawe ka sub team ka bangi ong strengthening safe environment for children ka mut ka ai ka pan lo yangi bangi la ikani ka campaign ka long ba yi kwa ba ki khna ru kin yo ya kata ka jaka ba kin yala kai kuma fil I manta ki pun
Menteri Badai Peit ya ka Housing Department Marcus and Marak haka arpu saw terik JYLLIEW ula pentip ba ka sorkar ka lapha da ka department inquiry hadin ba ka jingmi ka jing ujor na ka HYC ba ka don ka jing sam de kitin tap ying ki bastang habakren bikila pathai Khubor Menteri ulai thu ba yamenta kin apshwa hadu banda dep ka jing thokit hashwa bakin shimi ki rai banya chakmat ulaong bat kan shimpor kum balai pausngi AA ban pendep ya kajing thokit halor kajing ujor ka balapha da ka HYC
through housing department is of not quality that department is supplying. For this issue, I have verified from the departments. This is all as per the specification, as per the requirement agreed upon with the company. It is supplied to the people. And we have gone for the supply of corrugated aluminum sheet instead of CGI sheet, which is corrugated galvanized iron sheet. Iron sheets are heavier, but aluminum sheets are lighter, but better, very much better, lighter, and then lasting wise, aluminum sheets are more lasting. It's having more lasting because CGI sheets are getting rusted very soon. So therefore, the department has decided to procure aluminum sheets through proper tendering process, which has been done last 2 years back, in the year 2022, in the last government. So the company was given tendering of 24 months. So 24 months ended this year in the month of March. So therefore, we don't have any option but to give to them. And the materials supplied by them are also of good quality as per the specification. Nonetheless, this NGOs has also put up a complaint. They have gone to the storerooms of the housing department. So I have ordered an inquiry. We are going for a proper inquiry now, and only after the inquiry, I will be able to justify whether we are procured the same quality.
Kinong yalam bat kirkhot ka Neutrep Youth Council Nongpo Circle haka arpu sautrik JYLLIEW haka jingelam uba Tony Jylla President ringkat President ke HYC Bhoirumbong Circle Samla Sunshine Makri kilalit banya kendo yo Principal ke Bhoi College UEC Beni halor ke jing IT Khubor peniat jong kini ke college sya ke company na Assam ke bekerteng ke Consilipsim Tech India Private Limited ban pentrei ki kampen Roy Software ha kini ke college. Kini kinong yalam jong kini kiseng kilabu jingkeli ye kinong peniat kini ke college. La kila pet benyak ni ba kini ke company kala register yala de bat ke KHADC ban yo iki kot kisla ki be day bat ki kam kontrak how port usam jong ke KHADC bat ha Meghalaya hibrok kawai. Kawai pat kapang ba kila keli balai kinong peniat jong kini ke college kim terwa ye kini ke kam syiki terai jaka terai muluk ki balabit labyang banle ye kini ki kam Khubor jong kini ke college ki le thu ba kim tip bagi Samla na ke Jylla ki labit labyang banle ye kini ki kam kila kular ban perkhat thamai halor kini ke kam
to nakaliang jongi ka HYC na nongpo circle haka jingi senran lang ka HYC na po Bhoirumbong circle hadin bangi layo jingtep hakabai bat ki company ki badan ki pentre ya ki software apo riboy college kita ki napo na bar ka Jylla te hadin bagi layo sngau spang kana company ka bari napo ka Jylla Assam ka bakila Constellation Tax India Private Limited kana company ka dek penia ya ki system kana company ka penmi ya ki software ban penia ki system bar ko ya po ka riboy college TKA ke ba ngi long concern ba kabide ba kene kalong ba kumang tip syai kari kasi jantia kabri onyu trap ibor ko ki Samla jongi kiladon sibun ki bala tip la nang ya kene ka benta te kapan perkhat hangi ba kumno kene ka company ka banabar kala banwan ban trail ne bakan yo kam hapo kene ka riboy college te de halor kata ka benta nakalian ngi ka riboy nakalian ngi ka choisi nompo circle ka boy rombang ka Samla jongki ngilawan banbu daga jikto u principal sarbeni metakasni pan ngilayo pan yakran kham slam badi ha ka bidai baga jingdon jong kanega company company kala tre meta la kumba shisnam tam kala punya ki system hapo kanega college tena kalian jengi ngilabu artli kita ki jing dawa jengi na kalian jong kaseng te ngi skam lingba kini ki demand jengi lingba kini ki jing dawa jengi na kalian kum ka seng HYC ke Peit ya ka pagamer ko imlang salang namta ka bri wanyo prograway un shimkhia bat kembau lakularu un sa shimkhia rangkat bat ka governing body ban Peit thu lane haswa ban rai weng no lane ban teng kata ka syong ha ka jing kren bat ka governing body tingi skam ning ba ka jing shimkhia un principal aku bagi layak kren menta kasi bat ka governing body ling ba ka jing tho ka bagi la ai kin ya shimkhia ka bidai ba kane bat kinde yak e ka ba ngi ko beseng bahalang ngi layo ban dawa mata kasni ka ki art lagi jing dawa jongi kilong kita nak art lagi point kawi kadai ba kumba julong hingi ko kenhon seng balang
Kalimpong District Level Subroto Mukherjee Cup Inter-School Football Tournament West Khasi Hills District kalakut haka arpusaw tarik JYLLIEW da ka jingkmen ka bakraw na kabenta ki khana school na kani kathan ki school ki balakhur jingjok ban mikmat ya ka district sha ka inter district kilong ka Kirshai Government LP and UP School under 17 girls ka Daboklang Giri Memorial Secondary School Porla haka under 15 boys but ka Sipsing Government Memorial High Secondary School haka under 17 boys haka jingi kun final jungki kentei ki bahapo ka khat news nem kalalong Hamadan New Nongston ka Kirshai Government LP and UP School kalakhur ya ka nam job hadin bakalala ban pelim no ya ka Sipsing Government Memorial High Secondary School dalai la arling ba ka tiebreaker haka under 15 boys ka Daboklang Giri Memorial Secondary School Porla kala pelim ya ka St Anthony Secondary School Jaido da arla no kat ba hakaliang ki under 17 boys ka Sipsing Government Memorial High Secondary School kala pelim ya ka Daboklang Giri Secondary School Porla lingba ka tiebreaker kata hadin ke jingi kun ba marya khat klem da don ba yo thep ko hakani ka sngi ka District School Education Officer West Khasi Hills District ka ila Begam Lasker kalalong ka kongsan ban penha perdai kini kelumpung ha ka jingi don lang ka kong ballerina SAM District Sports Officer USAM ka Himanongston EPSAM ba BS Carlor President ke NDSA kinong peniat ki kena school kinong hikai bat ki pat ba
Daboklang Giri Memorial Secondary School from Porla for being the winners at the under 15.
Win or lose today, you have already proved yourself to be champions by participating in this tournament. Play with passion, respect of opponents, and most importantly, enjoy the game. This should be the motto of every sports person. In conclusions, I congratulate the winner teams. 16 Memorial Government Higher Secondary School for playing a fantastic game, but I will say that even Daboklang Giri Secondary School, Porla, did their best. Your 60 minutes showed that you were strong enough to defend yourself. A tiebreaker is luck. Okay? It is luck which helps one team to win.
Bat dak itu ki Khubor ngelapoy si kabukut tak hadut bangin Desyam biang Khuborjylla.